Welcome to JH. In this guide, I will show you how to connect a Visa gift card to your PayPal account. If you have been looking for a way to use your gift card through PayPal, you are in the right spot. It is important to note that while you cannot move the funds directly into your PayPal balance, you can still use the card for payments just like a regular debit or credit card. Let's go through the steps together to ensure everything is clear. First, sign in to your PayPal account. Visit the official website or launch the mobile app and provide your login details to get started. Once you have accessed your dashboard, head to the Wallet tab located in the top navigation bar. This area allows you to manage all your linked payment options, such as bank accounts and cards. Within the Wallet section, look for the Link a Card button and click it to begin adding your Visa gift card. You will likely be asked to choose between a debit or credit card. Simply select the debit or credit card option to proceed. Now, carefully input the information from your Visa gift card. You will need the card number, the expiration date, and the CVV security code, which is typically found on the back. Having this info ready will make the process much faster. After filling in the fields, click the Link Card button. This saves the gift card to your account, making it available for future transactions. Your card is now connected and ready for making purchases or sending money via PayPal. Keep in mind that this does not increase your digital balance. Instead, it acts as a secondary payment source. You can now shop online or transfer funds using the gift card's remaining balance effortlessly. That is all there is to it. You have successfully integrated your Visa gift card with PayPal. This is a great way to utilize your gift funds wherever PayPal is accepted. We hope this tutorial was helpful. For more practical tips, feel free to explore our other videos. Thanks for watching and enjoy using your Visa gift card on PayPal.